Mumbai, India's financial capital and gateway to our blue economy, is also home to more than 100 warships and submarines. Ensuring that they are combat ready is Naval Dockyard Mumbai. In the mighty yard, tradition and heritage meet modern technology. As the Navy has transformed, so has the yard. Today, it is a premier warship repair and refitting facility. This transition has been possible due to the efforts of magnificent leaders who made the dockyard their port of call.
Our legacy is both a source of inspiration and a responsibility. We are committed to ensure defect-free platforms and instill confidence in their crew. This is one yard that will always go the extra mile.
Every successful repair, refit and modernization in the yard is a result of meticulous planning and coordination, backed by efficient execution. Its 100-odd centers are divided by function, united by purpose. Ships first.
In this yard, size doesn't matter. Whichever the ship, whatever the defect, it simply gets done.
Deep down, we are grateful to the yard's commitment to quality.
Ever evolving, the yard took up a number of initiatives in 2023. The new Dockyard Operations Centre coordinates technical services and operational support.
All it takes is one call.
The indigenous REST technology
366 taking system controls
facilitates satellite-enabled maintenance support to mission-deployed ships. The GIS Data Centre is an advanced tool for planning expansion and maintenance of existing infrastructure. Our shop floors are being upgraded with impact-proof high-tech flooring to improve safety. Setting its sights on greater operational availability is the Advanced Optics Facility for next-generation periscopes. With an eye on tomorrow, the yard has also focused on emerging technologies, including AI-based solutions. We also support afloat units through computer-aided design, advanced information systems and utility teams. Providing much-needed support is a fully equipped modern dispensary to handle medical emergencies, as also a well-trained independent firefighting team available round the dock.
मैं आभारी हूँ, यार्ड ने मुझे देश की सेवा करने का मौका दिया.
The Yard's apprentice school has an exacting curriculum. Its unique affiliation with the National Cadet Corps contributes to both character and nation building. An extensive reference library provides opportunity for continual education. Our adoption of EV technology as well as Swachh Bharat initiatives aim towards a clean, green and serene yard. Inspired by Atmanirbhar Bharat, INSEM 23 led to greater partnerships with the industry, contributing to indigenization of spares. But the real strength of the yard are its men and women, whose passion and pride keep it going.
मैं 38 साल से सिस्टम डिपार्टमेंट के लिए काम किया. मुझे अपने यार्ड के ऊपर बहुत गर्व है.
मैंने एक चीज अपने पिताजी से सीखी, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, ships first.
The yard believes its responsibility goes beyond the workplace. In the Naval Civilian Housing Colony, it provides and maintains many amenities.
डॉकयार्ड ने हमारा बहुत अच्छा ख्याल रखा.
NCH कॉलोनी में सारी सुविधाएं उपलब्ध है.
We support various community and Nava initiatives. The yard also encourages creativity, adventure, and sports. The Heritage Hall showcases the yard's story. A story of modernization, of self-belief. It is this belief that enabled us to put our platforms to sea in 1971 and helped liberate a nation.
जब देश का सवाल हो, इस यार्ड में कभी शिफ्ट नहीं होती।
As a tribute to our rich maritime legacy, the yard has contributed to the erection of a 43-foot statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj at Sindhudurg. As the Navy sails from strength to strength, so will the yard, transforming, evolving to meet tomorrow's challenges. After all, we've been doing it since 1735.